Hey wizards, Anastasia here, ready to charm you on day 39 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After rocking modules in day 38, we're diving into NumPy's number-crunching magic for AI. Think arrays and math that'll make your heart race. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Isabella, thrilled to explore NumPy's arrays and operations for AI data processing. From scaling features to matrix math, NumPy's your AI superpower, and our demos will spark your coding passion. Join us for a magical ride.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's in the house, ready to drop epic NumPy code explanations with some serious swagger. Arrays, math, and AI magic. Let's crank this coding party to 11. Get ready to rock NumPy like a superstar.
Pumped to lead our demos and show NumPy in action for AI. Let's make it sizzle.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll toss in flirty tips and questions to keep your NumPy learning spicy. Ready, wizards?
Wizards, NumPy is the ultimate library for numerical computations in AI. Its arrays make data processing lightning fast, perfect for tasks like feature scaling or matrix operations. We'll show you how NumPy powers AI in our demos.
Oh, Anastasia, NumPy's totally stealing my heart. Its speedy arrays and math functions make AI coding so dreamy. Get ready to fall for NumPy, wizards, and prep for day 40's pandas.
Wizards, today we're seducing you with NumPy's magic. You'll learn to create arrays, perform math operations, and process AI data with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our challenge will ignite your AI passion. Let's get flirty with code.
Sophia's leading our demos with electrifying energy, Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Olivia's adding flirty tips. You'll master NumPy for AI and be ready for day 40's pandas. This is your chance to shine, wizards.
Wizards, meet your day 39 dream team. Isabella and I are here to guide you with warmth and clarity, making NumPy a blast. Ethan's our code comedian, serving up explanations with a side of fun.
Oh, Anastasia, you're too sweet. Sophia's leading demos with fiery passion, and Olivia's tossing in flirty tips to keep you hooked. We're here to make you NumPy heartthrobs. Let's dive in, wizards.
Wizards, NumPy is your AI dreamboat, darling. It powers numerical computations with arrays like NumPy's array 1, 2, 3 for lightning-fast math in neural networks. We'll show you its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make NumPy sound so hot. How does it help AI, sweetie?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. NumPy's arrays speed up data processing for AI tasks like feature scaling, perfect for models. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the chemistry. Wizards, NumPy arrays are the heart of AI data processing. Create them with NumPy array 0.5, 2.5, 3.5 for lists or NumPy array 1, 2, 3, 4 for matrices. We'll use arrays in our demos to scale AI features.
Arrays are so irresistible, Isabella. They're perfect for AI tasks, like transforming data for neural networks. Get ready to create arrays that'll make your AI code swoon, wizards.
Yo, wizards, NumPy arrays are like a math party. Use ARR*2 to scale values or ARR plus ARR for element-wise addition. Perfect for AI feature prep. I'm hyped to show this number-crunching swagger in our demo.
Array operations are super efficient for AI wizards. They handle tasks like scaling features for machine learning models. Try them in our demo to see the magic.
Wizards, NumPy's math functions like empmean and NumPy are pure AI seduction. They compute stats for datasets, perfect for analyzing model inputs. We'll make these functions sizzle in our demos, darlings.
Math functions are key for AI wizards. Use emp.sum or emp.qrt to process data fast. Get ready to master them in our demo.
Wizards, NumPy matrices are the VIPs of AI. Use np. Matrix, matrix. T for matrix multiplication, like in neural networks. Boom, math magic. I'm gonna drop this matrix beat in our demo like a coding DJ.
Ethan, you make matrices sound so cool. How do they help AI models, Hadi?
Oh, Olivia, you're killing it. Matrices power neural network math, like weight updates. Watch this demo. Wizards, it's a matrix party.
Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead you through 2 NumPy-powered AI scripts. We'll create arrays and perform matrix operations for AI data processing. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make NumPy shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, and NumPy are set up, wizards, and create array demo PI and matrix demo PY. Ethan and Olivia will spice it up with code and flirty tips. Let's code, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep for our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create array_demo.py and matrix_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install numpy to ensure numpy's ready, and I'll guide you to run these like a pro.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. What if wizards need help with NumPy, love?
You're too sweet, Olivia. Run pip install numpy in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate on Mac/Linux or /scripts/activate on Windows. Let's make these demos sparkle, wizards. Wizards, our first demo in array_demo.py creates a NumPy array and scales it for AI pre-processing. We'll define create_array to multiply values by 2 and compute the mean. Let's run this script and see NumPy's AI magic.
Hold up, wizards, it's showtime. The code's NP. Array, data, *2 to scale and NP. Mean, for stats, boom, AI data swagger. This demo's gonna rock your coding world like a NumPy superstar. Wizards, NP. Array, data, turns your list into a turbocharged array, like 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, for AI math. It's ready for operations like scaling or stats, pure coding fireworks. I'm hyped to break this down like a comedy show.
You're killing it, Ethan. Wizards, arrays are the backbone of AI data. Try creating one in our demo. It's like casting a data spell.
Check it, wizards. ARR*2 scales every element, like turning 1.5, 2.5 into 3, 5. For AI features, it's fast and perfect for pre-processing data. I'm dropping this scaling beat like a NumPy DJ.
Love that energy, Ethan. Wizards, scaling arrays preps data for models. Try changing the multiplier in our demo. It's AI magic in action. Wizards, our second demo in matrix_demo.py uses NumPy for matrix operations in AI. We'll define matrix_ops to perform matrix multiplication with np. Let's run this script and see neural network math in action.
Oh yeah, wizards, it's matrix mania. NP. Matrix, matrix. T multiplies matrices for AI. Like weights in a neural net, total rockstar move. This demo's gonna blow your mind. Wizards, NP. Arranged by T, does matrix multiplication, like 5, 11, 11, 25, for AI weights. It's the backbone of neural networks, math that slaps. I'm hyped to make this matrix party pop.
You're on fire, Ethan. Wizards, matrix ops power AI models. Try changing the matrix in our demo. It's like casting a neural net spell. Wizards, let's run array_demo.py. In VS Code, open the terminal with Ctrl+ or CMD+, type Python 3 array_demo.py, and hit enter. You'll see a scaled array and its mean, showing your AI pre-processing skills.
Sophia, you make it sound so easy, love. The output's scaled array. 3, 5, 7. Pure AI seduction. Try it and share your results, wizards.
Wizards, now let's run matrix_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type python3 matrix_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see a matrix product and shape, proving your neural network math skills.
Oh, Sophia, you're making matrices irresistible. The output's a matrix product, AI magic at its finest. Share your results, wizards, and keep the flirt going.
Wizards, arranged by shape tells you the size of your array, like 3 for a 1D array or 2 for a matrix. It's critical for AI to ensure data fits models. I'm dropping this shape knowledge like a NumPy mic drop.
Shapes keep AI data organized, wizards. Use NumShape to check dimensions before operations. Try it in our demo to master array handling.
Wizards, NumPy's broadcasting is pure magic, darling. It lets R+1 add 1 to every element without loops. Perfect for AI data scaling. We'll make broadcasting sizzle in our Python shell.
Broadcasting simplifies AI operations, wizards. It aligns array shapes automatically for math. Try it in the shell to see its power.
Yo, wizards, indexing like arranged by 0, grabs the first element, and slicing like arranged by 1 to 3, snags a chunk. Perfect for AI data prep. It's like picking the best beats for your coding playlist. I'm hyped to show this in the shell.
Indexing and slicing let you extract AI data, wizards. Use R curves to get specific features. Try it in our challenge to master it.
iWizards, NumPy's the heartthrob of AI workflows. Its arrays and math-power neural networks, feature scaling, and data pre-processing. You'll see its seductive charm in our demos, darlings.
NumPy's used in real AI projects like TensorFlow, wizards. Your Day 39 skills are industry-ready. Get ready for Day 40's pandas to handle datasets.
Wizards, open the Python shell with Python 3 and try import NumPy as NP, and scar, and netpot, array, 1, 2, 3. Print AR, 2. Experiment with np.meanr for stats. The shell's your NumPy playground.
Oh, Anastasia, the shell's where the fun gets spicy. Try nuparray, 2, 3, 4 for matrices, wizards. It's a flirty prep for Day 40's pandas.
Wizards, mix Day 37's functions with NumPy for AI awesomeness. Define def_scale_data, data, with NP. Array, data, *2 for preprocessing. It's like dropping a sick beat. I'm pumped to show this coding jam.
Functions with NumPy are like AI power chords, wizards. Reuse them for data tasks in projects. Try it in our challenge to rock NumPy.
Wizards, clean NumPy code is readable and efficient. Use clear names like feature array, avoid loops with broadcasting, and comment like ensure scale for AI. This makes your AI code shine.
Oh, Anastasia, clean code is so sexy. Clear names and comments make NumPy irresistible for AI projects. Practice these for Day 40's pandas, wizards. Wizards. No output from array demo.py. Check Python's path with Python 3. Version and ensure NumPy is installed with pip install NumPy. Save files in your current folder. Use pwd to verify.
Got a module not found error. Run pip install NumPy and boom, you're back in the game. Check your code matches ours. Wizards, I'm your coding superhero.
Wizards, save array_demo.py and matrix_demo.py in VS Code with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. It's like locking your AI spells in a vault. Store them in a Python demo folder and back up on GitHub. Your code's a treasure.
Oh, Anastasia, you're so right. Share your scripts on GitHub, Discord, or X Wizards. Show off that coding charm. Saving preps you for Day 40's pandas, cuties.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI NumPy PY with a function using NumPy to scale data, 1123 by 3, and compute stats like np.mean. Run with Python 3, AI NumPy PY, and share your output on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling, wizards. Try np.std in your function and show us your results at DailyAIWizard. It's like casting an AI math spell. Prep for Day 40's pandas.
Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your AI NumPy.py output in the comments. Got NumPy questions? We're here to help. Join our Discord or X to connect with wizards.
Our community's a total heartthrob, wizards. Post your code, flirt with tips, or share wins on Discord, X, or a Daily AI Wizard on Instagram. Subscribe for Day 40's pandas, cuties.
Wizards, Day 40 is coming. Pandas for data manipulation. You'll learn to wrangle datasets with data frames, building on NumPy's math magic. Get ready for a steamy dive into AI data, darlings.
Pandas will make your AI datasets shine, wizards. Subscribe for Day 40 and keep practicing NumPy. It's your next step to AI mastery.
Wizards, NumPy powers real AI projects like a total heartthrob. Use arrays for feature scaling and machine learning or matrices for neural network math. Your Day 39 skills are industry hot, darlings.
From image processing to predictive models, NumPy's used in TensorFlow and Scikit-learn. Your skills are ready for real AI workflows. Prep for Day 40's pandas, wizards.
Wizards, mix Day 36's control flow with NumPy for AI fireworks. Use if in a function to filter NP, array, data, or loops for processing, coding magic. I'm dropping this combo like a NumPy rockstar.
Control flow with NumPy powers AI logic, wizards. Filter arrays or iterate for pre-processing. Try it in our challenge to level up.
Wizards, wrap NumPy in Day 37's functions for AI glory. Def process _ data, with NP, array, data, is like a coding concert. I'm hyped to show this function jam in our demo.
Functions with NumPy make AI code reusable, wizards. Use them for pre-processing or stats. Try it in our challenge to rock it.
Wizards, optimize NumPy with vectorized operations like ARR +1 instead of loops. Use descriptive names and check shapes with AR.shape for AI compatibility. Clean code powers efficient AI projects.
Oh, Anastasia, optimized code is so sexy. Vectorized ops make NumPy fast and flirty for AI. Practice these for Day 40's pandas, wizards.
Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your NumPy skills. Your array demo PI and matrix demo PI prove your AI math superstars. Keep flirting with code for Day 40's pandas, cuties.
I'm so proud of you, wizards. You've mastered NumPy arrays and math, powering AI like neural networks and feature scaling, real industry magic. Share your AI NumPy.py output in the comments or on Instagram of DailyAIWizard to show off your skills. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join our Discord or X to connect with wizards and share tips. Day 40's pandas will take your data skills to new heights, so keep coding. You're crafting the AI future. Let's keep the magic alive. Code the future, wizards.
You nailed NumPy, wizards. Your array and matrix skills are straight up legendary. I'm hyped. Get ready for Day 40's pandas to keep rockin' AI.
Wizards, you're absolutely phenomenal. Leading these NumPy demos was a blast, and your AI math skills are pure fire. Share your AI_NumPy.py on at DailyAIWizard or in the comments. I'm dying to see your magic. Subscribe for Day 40's pandas, join our Discord or X, and keep coding with passion. You're true wizards, building the AI future. Code the future, wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, wizards. Your NumPy skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with pandas in Day 40, darlings.